Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 different ways you can start today to script and journal for weight loss. If you are new here, my name is Kathleen Hart and I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. I help clients every day recognize that mindset is the most important part of your weight loss journey. This video will help prove it for you. So if you're not currently journaling or scripting to help you with your weight loss journey, here's your hint. Here's your sign to start today. If anyone's ever wanting to work with me, my links are all down in the description box below. So the first way that you can start scripting or journaling today is to journal about your dream day. This is something that I include in my mindset and weight loss course, but I'm sharing it here because I think it's so powerful and so beneficial. So all you need to do for this is a journal and a pen. And even if you don't have a journal, grab a piece of paper. But I find that getting a new journal and a new pen for doing these exercises is the first place to start. Get yourself excited, go pick out a new journal, go pick out your favorite pen, and get to work. So for the dream day exercise, all you're going to do is write freely about your dream day. So I'm going to walk you through a visualization that I wrote down, and this is what we're doing. We're creating a mental picture of our perfect day. So I wake up in the morning, I open my blinds, the sun's coming in the window, I go into the bathroom, I weigh myself. OMG, I am this weight. I'm my goal weight. I'm my ultimate lowest weight that I want to be. I'm at my goal. How does that feel? Journal about how that feels. I feel so excited. I can't wait to wear this outfit. I love how I look in the mirror. Everything is going to go well today. The sun is shining. My coffee was made perfectly at Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. Then I go on to see great people today. I'm at my goal weight, so I feel like I'm so happy. You know, this is where you can expand and go anywhere. You know where I went. Coffee, right? But that's the thing. It could be anything to do with your day. How does your perfect day get laid out for you? For me, with weight loss, scripting, and journaling, I go right to some visual thing that I can see, which is the number on the scale. It doesn't have to be that though. It can be how you feel when you wake up. It could be how you feel after you woke up from your night's sleep. It could be putting on a certain outfit. How does it fit? How does it feel? How does it feel when you look in the mirror? All of these things can encompass your perfect day. The more specific you can get and the more emotional you can get about writing this at that time, the more powerful it's going to be. So when you're journaling, journal about the most perfect parts of your day. If everything went perfectly, what would that look like? What would that feel like? If everything worked out perfectly for this day, what does that look like for you? And you can visualize for your weight loss journey, but hint, this can go for anything in life. Any of these exercises that I'm gonna be talking about in this video, you can use them at any time for any area of your life. Money, health, job, friendships, weight loss, anything. It's all the same. They're all neutral situations. We make them what they are. So in this case, if everything went perfectly, journal. Fill up a whole page, as much time as you have. Remember, there are no rules to journaling. Some people are like, I don't know where to start, I don't know what to do. There's no rules. There's no rules at all. Just take your journal and free write. How would your perfect day go? Start there and feel the emotions of how good it would feel if your perfect day was here right now. How would that feel? So the second way that you can journal for weight loss is going to be scripting. So scripting is essentially doing what Bart Simpson did on the chalkboard, but instead we're doing it productively. We're doing it for our weight loss goals in this case. So what I did when I was trying to reach my ultimate weight loss goal of 133 pounds, which I have surpassed and I've gotten down to 131, I would sit and rampage. What I mean by that is I would sit and I would write, I am 133 pounds over and over and over and over again, and fill up an entire sheet, maybe 50 or 60 lines on my journal page. And what I would be doing during this rampage is I would be really getting excited, super pumped up, feeling the feelings of me being that, because that's ultimately what we want, right? We want to feel what it would feel like to be that weight. The number is just a number, but in our heads, it's so powerful. So if you woke up today and you were 133 pounds, like I was imagining, how would I feel? And those are the feelings that I was trying to conjure up as I'm rampaging and writing, I am 133 pounds. And I would write it over and over and over again, but then I would kind of change it up a little bit. I would say, OMG, I'm 133 pounds. I just weighed myself, I'm 133 pounds. I am 133 pounds. Losing weight was so easy. I am 133 pounds. Wow, those last 5 pounds came off so fast. I am 133 pounds. I would rampage and just write anything that came to my head, any idea that came into my mind that said, you did it, you're there, like go you, like get really excited and pretend you have to pretend. That's the key to journaling, is visualizing and feeling the feelings of having what you desire already. In this case, weight loss, a certain number on the scale, a certain health goal. This could be for any health goal. I know I'm saying weight on the scale, but that's not everyone's ultimate health goal. Choose the wording that fits the best for you. Okay, and then my third and final scripting way of journaling to maximize your weight loss results is going to be the 3-6-9 method. I did a full video on this method, but I'm gonna touch on it here because it is so powerful. So you're basically going to take that little rampage scripting exercise that I just mentioned in number 2, and you're going to move it over into the 3-6-9 method. So you're going to write it down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. So in this case, I am 133 pounds. OMG, I'm 133 pounds. I just weighed myself, I'm 133 pounds. How does that feel? Conjure up those feelings 3 times in the morning, 6 times, and then 9 times at night. So this was actually invented by Nikola Tesla, and he believed that with numerology, 3-6-9 had immense power with connecting our desires to the universe. So the 3 represents our connection to source, or the universe, and our creative self-expression. The number 6 represents our inner strength and harmony, and the number 9 represents our inner birth, as in letting go of what no longer serves us and changing us into who we are becoming. So when you're doing this exercise, stick to the one main goal that you have. Like I said, I am 133 pounds. I would stick to that goal and use that for 3 times, 6 times, 9 times. Make it be the same overall goal the whole time you do this. And I would recommend doing this. If you can do it daily, great. Do it until it doesn't feel good anymore. You'll kind of know. It's weird. Every time I've done this method, I've been like, okay, I'm good. Like, I don't need to do it anymore. So it's kind of one of those things, if you feel like doing it, if you get excited to do it, keep doing it. If you're like, I think I'm good now. Like, I feel like I believe in my manifestation, or I feel like I believe in my goal enough that I can have it, then you're good. Then you're good. Now it's time to relax and let go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If, like I said, if you are not journaling and scripting for your weight loss goals, here's your sign to start right now. If you guys ever want to work with me, all of the links are down in the description box down below. If you are looking for some extra help in mindset and weight loss, I am your girl. All of the links for my coaching opportunities are down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you soon with the next video. Bye, everybody.